What's up, guys? Mudar, True Good Development. So you cut a hole saw too small and you want to enlarge it. What do? Here's a quick hack. Check it out. All right, to make this work, you got to have your old piece. So here's what I do. Put this thing up on two 2x4s. Here's my old piece. You put a couple of 2x4s here. And you got to have your old piece. If you don't have your old piece, well, then you're going to have to cut out a new piece that fits inside the smaller hole. You throw that right there in the middle, grab your new hole saw that's bigger, and go to town. Just got to line it up. All right, pretty much done. Now all I gotta do is pull on this bad boy, and here you go. Well, this makes for a nice arts and craft project. I might actually keep it. Thanks for watching. Hope this helps.